And welcome to our first of many weekly wrap-ups from the trading experts. We're coming to you on a Thursday because we will not be in the office on Friday, but let's get right into it. Let's look at some charts. All right, here we're looking at the S&P 500, the SPY, S&P futures, and we can see in the past 40 days, we've just gone sideways. We've had no days with more than a 1% move in either direction. So could today be the day? I don't know, but we're expecting some fireworks come September. You can see it's starting to begin to look like a rounded top. These two times it tried to push up, just had no velocity. It seems the market's getting a little tired. Might need to use a little pullback. Let's go look at the Qs. There you go. These are the Nasdaq futures, and you got a very similar story. We're just trying to push up, no love. You can see the 8 and the 21-day moving averages crossing over each other, which is a very bearish signal. It's called a bearish crossover. When the 8-day is supporting it, here's the 8-day, and now we see the 21-day overtaking it. Same thing in the S&P. It's a very bearish signal. Some traders use that to trade off of. They would get short in this position and then set a stop somewhere up here. It's pretty random though. We don't use those tactics. Let's look at a couple charts. All right. Woof. Tesla dead. We were looking at this one to go long this day. We saw it popped up, tried to reclaim all these moving averages, and then we saw sellers come and slap it right back down. We had a 222 stop, and thank God, because you can see right after it began breaking down, it just fell off a cliff down to 201 in 5 sessions. Tesla dead. Our trade of the week. Our trade of the week this week. Guild still looking beautiful in motion. All right, let's zoom in a bit. All right, so we can see the huge resistance here, huge support. Excuse me. And now, once we see, we're looking for this. This is today. We're looking for this one to break lows, 77.5. Once it breaks those lows, we're going to feel comfortable moving our stop to these highs above 78.60, 78.61. Our current stop is above this day right here, 79.71. So you're always looking to move the trailing stop so that you can take as much profit as possible. You don't want to give it that much back. Going forward, though, let's look at the SPY weekly. It's starting to look like a rounded top, so we're definitely expecting some fireworks come September. It's going to be very interesting to see when the Fed meets. If they elect to move interest rates in September, we think that's definitely going to be the catalyst for them to get. But I mean, around this 210 to 212 area, 208. I mean, we'd like to see where it pulls back to, but we're going to be buyers in that area for sure. We are definitely going to be buyers. But keep tuning in to these Friday wrap-ups. We'll keep them coming at you. Good luck and happy trading.